Meaning of deadbolt.
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 Deadbolt. A deadbolt is a type of locking mechanism commonly used to secure doors. Unlike traditional locks, which use springs to latch the bolt into place, deadbolts are operated using a key or thumb turn. This means that they provide a higher level of security since they cannot be forced open without the proper key or mechanism. Deadbolts come in various types, including single-cylinder, keyed on one side only, and double-cylinder, keyed on both sides, and are often recommended by law enforcement agencies as an effective means of preventing burglaries.